Hey everybody, it's me Ben. It is Tuesday, the 14th of March 2023, and I'm here on the farm right now just kind of assessing the damage from a very strong windstorm that we had today. So I'm looking here, as you can see behind me here, there is a trampoline. That is our 10-inch trampoline. It rolled over about 100 feet from where it was. But the big thing that we got here was this tree right here. Is a 50-foot high tree. If you can look back here, it fell. It came from its roots and it just toppled over. Actually, thank goodness that nothing was crushed by this big huge tree. We were very lucky. Looks like the top of it hit the top of the shop right here, but no damage, real damage there. It is covering up a few cars that we have back there. The worker moved my dad's spare truck, and it's away from the damage of or avoided any damage from the tree. But if I show you over here, it's we're very lucky. We have a couple trailers, a utility trailer, this horse trailer right here. But if you want to look over here, it came up from the roots right there. There's a big huge thing of roots and dirt that came up the ground. And it looks like this tree just decided to topple over. So, very lucky that nothing was really truly damaged. We did have a rack of metal that we had that kind of got crushed by it, but I will take that as damage. I will take that as the only real damage from that big huge tree toppling over. So yeah, we're gonna have to get to work with that and get that all cleared up. It's gonna take probably a few days, a couple chainsaws, and yeah. The hazards of living on a farm. For us, we didn't get too much damage here. You know, it's just a few branches falling, but nothing that caused any true damage to the farm or to our homes here. The tree branch right there fell down. Another one right over here fell down. But that's pretty much it. So yeah, we have this big tree in front of our house. This has been here for over 40 years. You know, I mean, we have a couple big branches that could fall, but for the most part, this thing has been a mainstay here on front of my house, me and my wife's house. So you can see Nani girl right there. She's bored out of her mind. She wants to go out and run around, but unfortunately there's a lot of debris around, so I'm not going to let that happen today. So anyways, that's what's going on right now. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the aftermath of the big windstorm that we had today. So that's it for me right now. Yeah, I will talk to you later.